In this video, I'll be showing you how to change colour at the end of the row. This can also be used for introducing your next ball of yarn if your current ball of yarn is running out. So I have a few different stitches in this swatch here, and I've just reverted back to single crochet for the last 2 rows, and I've stopped just ahead of my last stitch so I can show you how to do this. So you want to insert the hook as normal. And then what you want to do, instead of just yarning over your current colour, you want to also yarn over your new colour. So hold them both together and pull them through like so. So the trick is here, you want to imagine that this is just one stitch. And then put aside your existing yarn colour and grab your new yarn colour. Yarn over, pull that through that first stitch and the second stitch. Then you can pull tight strands of the other yarn and go ahead and do one more stitch for your turning chain. So give those other little stitches a good tug. Trim the end of your previous colour so you just have your 2 strands there now. Now you can either weave these strands in at the end when you finished your project, or you can hide them inside your crochet. There is a way to do this. So the trick here is just to hold them above your stitches, and we're just going to disguise them inside our other stitches. So almost ignore them, try and ignore them anyway. It's a little bit fiddly, this technique. So you want to insert your hook into the first stitch, yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through. So what we're doing is we're just encapsulating them in our other yarn. So again, insert this hook into the first stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Continue to work just with them sitting just above your crochet. It doesn't matter if they get loose, because we can pull them tighter. Keep going until you've done maybe 4 or 5 stitches, like so. Then you can just pull them slightly tighter, so they're basically hidden in amongst your new coloured stitches. Then you can trim the ends and get rid. Then just continue working with your new colour. Like I said, you can choose to just weave the ends in when you've finished your project if you'd like to do that instead. And that is a little bit of a fiddly technique, especially if you're a beginner. Trim those ends, and you can't even tell that they're hidden inside. So then you can just continue working in your new colour. And there's no weaving in to do, which is the dream. And that is how you change colour. Join me for some of my other crochet tutorial videos if you've enjoyed this video.